going on, guys? We're back. We're doing the shifter today. By today I mean the day you guys see it. I've actually filmed all these videos in advance just to have a sort of an inventory of videos that I can drop for you guys, so that to always have something to watch in case for whatever reason I'm not able to make any fresh content. So thanks for watching, by the way, dudes. You guys are legends. I'm loving all the comments. It's good fun. So yeah, let's get stuck into getting this bad boy into that bad girl. And yeah, I went on to S1 Sequential's website, had a look at their PDF for the install, and it is like long as fuck. There's like page after page after page. So I do recommend, like, I haven't fit one of these before. Being a mechanic, I have a rough idea of what I need to do, but it's always good to be able to refer to the manual. So you got some pictures. It's always helpful. I think they shoot the TR6060 style, so yeah. This is all your bits and pieces. So it explains exactly how to put it in there and how the shifter functions. It gives you an index of what parts come in it, as well as in the back it has your optional parts. So it gives you detailed instruction on just what everything is and what the hell it does and where it goes. So I'm gonna get started. I've already pulled the reverse lockout solenoid. Now, because my car is a manual converted car, this wasn't even hooked up anyway, so we'll get that out. They supply a billet bracket that you put back in with I put it back in with a stock bolt, but I don't know if there's I haven't checked if they actually supplied a bolt to put that back in with. Maybe they did. If they don't, you can use your stock bolt, put it back in there. So yeah, I'm going to work on now getting the stock shifter out. I'll show you that at the moment. It's looking pretty bloody sad. Alright. Oh god. Alright, we're in. Yeah, so this little nub is what I've been driving around on for the last week because the freaking shifter snaps. Oh, where's the head of that thing? There it is. Not a lot, actually. I didn't realize how little holds them on there. But yeah, I'm gonna work on ripping all this up. It's very simple. In these cars, you've just got clips all the way up. I think, depending on who has owned your car and who's pulled it apart before, there will be one bolt in the back, or one Phillips screw in the back of here. More than likely it's not there. Nobody ever puts it back. Like, I didn't even put it back, so. But yeah, I'll get this tore down, get the shifter out, and we'll see. Shifter is out. So just be careful, this can be a dirty job, especially if your gearbox has got a bit of a leak from that shitty gasket thing there. So I'll throw that aside for a sec. You're left with the back of the output housing just sitting there. Quick note, when you pull all this up and you get to this little surround plate, you've got to get the 4 bolts from underneath the car. So you'll have to go under the car, grab those 4 bolts out, then you can remove the cover. Then you've got to get to 4 T25 torque bits that hold this shitty little plastic cover on. Once you get to those, you can then get to the 6mm. Throw that out too. You can then get to the 4 6mm hex bolts that hold in the shifter itself. So yeah, I'm gonna go have a flick through the instructions. I don't want to bore you guys with the full install, so I'll have a quick flick through the instructions, get an idea of just what the hell I need to be doing, and I'll get back to it. I'll get back to you guys once I've got the shifter mounted and everything looks promising. Alrighty, this install is way more advanced than I anticipated. I've tried every which way I can to follow the instructions. Fucking that huge shitbox list down there. I cannot get the damn thing in the car. Oh, I can't get it in the box while in the car. So I'm going up on the hoist. I'm going to drop the box out quickly and try and sort it out. I'll get back to you with what I find. So, after a lot of dicking around, popped the half box out. So, if you guys didn't know, you can actually get a T56 out of a Commodore without taking the bell housing. You do still have to disconnect the slave cylinder, so you're probably going to drop clutch fluid. Just be mindful of that. This was a pain in the ass. I don't recommend doing this yourself. If you do, you're either going to need stands to get the car off the ground to be able to get the box out, or take it into your local performance shop if you want to order it through them, or order it direct and get them to fit it. A lot of places might be a bit finicky about fitting supply parts, but it is what it is. So it's in, it's functioning. I'll show you how it runs through gears. I'm just going to hang on to the box. So we're in neutral at the moment. So I think that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Nah. All right, that's six. So fifth, fourth, third, second, first, neutral. And then in neutral you can activate your reverse, which I can't remember if you click it up or down for that. Okay, so that should be reverse. So you're then going to want to pop it back forward, lock that down, then you're in first. Oh god, is that not it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a bit hard to pull because the thing's out of the car and I'm trying to hang on to the box, but I'm sure once this is secured back in the car, it's going to feel pretty decent. So I'll get this all wrapped back up, put it back in the car. I am going to bet that this will not fit the Commodore floor, so I'm going to preemptively trim the shifter surrounds underneath the floor. I can just guarantee it ain't going to fit. Not a chance. It's a pretty bulky shifter, and the design of the stock one, which is here, you can see it raises it, you know, 1.5 inches here. So, and there's not a lot of room. There's about that much there when it's actually in the car. So I'll tighten that bolt through. That'd be a good idea, hey? Yeah, alright. I'll button it up, put it in the car. I need to go home. She's all together, gearbox is back in, shift is adjusted correctly, so it selects all gears. I've just gone around the car park a couple of times. She's about to go for a maiden voyage, but I think we'll film that another day. As you can see, she's a bit dark out, so I think we'll try and get some driving clips in the daytime, as well as some exhaust clips and stuff. So we'll do a couple of pulls, and yeah. Hope you guys like this one, dudes. I'm stoked on how everything has gone in. I'm astounded by how well the exhaust lines up. Everything runs really as it should. The shifter was kind of a real fuck around. Like, I really wouldn't recommend doing that in your backyard. Have it fitted. Either go and use the hoist, because you've got to pull the box out. There's no way you'll get that in there with the box in the car. It's just not possible. You do have to, where your shifter mounts, that surround, you take the 4 bolts out of from underneath the car, you need to cut that out. You need to cut a big square or rectangle to get that to fit. So yeah, catch you on a catcher, guys.